Hi everyone, my name is Lavinia and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you the package that I received in the mail from the Modern Fat Quarter Club subscription, and this is for September 2020, and it's featuring Zoology. And these are, so there's 12 fat quarters in here, and this is the package. And let's go on and open them up and see what they look like. All right, so this looks like there's grays and greens and peaches and yellow. So they're like a muted, I would say a muted color, maybe a mint green, a little bit of a teal green. So this is what the first pattern looks like. Almost looks like cat scratches. And I would say it's a charcoal gray. This is what it looks like here. That's that first one. The second one is triangles. They're also in a charcoal gray. This one, the same thing, but the charcoal with, I guess, V's. Upside down V's and going the other way, maybe mountaintops and valleys. This is a lighter gray with the triangles. I like that. And then a lighter gray with the white scratches. I'm going to call them cat scratches. And then after that, we're going to go into the greens. I think with these, I might, with the grays and the charcoal, I'm probably going to make some pillows, I think. Some throw pillows. So this one here has the triangles. And again, it's kind of like a teal green, I would say. Okay, the next one is a peachy color with white polka dots. This is I would say this is a nice fall color, especially for autumn. This one, the same peachy orange color with the mountains or the V's. Pretty there too. This one's, I would say it's a light mustardy yellow with the stripes, those cat scratches. And then here, that same color with the V's. See there? All right, this next one is, it's kind of like a minty green or a seafoam green. Again, with the white stripes there. And then with the polka dots. So that's what I received. So again, the green with the polka dot and the white stripes. Yellowy, also a nice fall color. So again, this is the September 2020 Fat Quarter Modern bundle. It's that peachy with the polka dots and this teal green with the triangles. Yeah, so these grays and dark charcoal, I think I'm going to make some throw pillows. My living room is in a charcoal gray, and also my parents. I might make one set for me and one set for my parents' house. There we go. And then with the stripes here. So again, it's the Modern Fat Quarter Club. So this is the first time, my first subscription package that I'm getting, and so far I do like what came in here. Just trying to stay in the sunlight here so you can see maybe the colors better. And it's featuring Zoology. So yeah, I like this. I'm going to make some pillows, and maybe with the others, I want to make some bowl koozies, a larger size, a 12-inch. So I'll use these for those. Maybe two different colors, so that, I don't know if you know what a bowl koozie is, but look forward to that tutorial. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment. If you have a subscription to the Modern Fat Quarter Club, let me know what plans you have. And I hope you subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.